Okay, fam. I want to do a quick video on this man that they calling Cheddar Man. Cheddar Man, that's him in that picture. They found his skeleton in a cave, supposedly in Great Britain somewhere. Now as far as we've been taught, that the Europeans came from the damn caves. So what they saying now is that Cheddar Man was a black man. But I got one question. Why is it only one goddamn skeleton? What happened to the rest of the damn people? And he looked like, man, he just laid down and just died right there on that spot right there. Unless they took it out and laid him right there or something. But anyway, they trying to say he's a black man. Right? And they also done a reconstruction on Nefertiti, the Egyptian queen, Queen Nefertiti. And the outcome of that, it appears that she was a light-skinned woman. But the way they made her look, she was very close to being white. But I'm going to show you what Cheddar Man looked like after they reconstructed him. So, this is Cheddar Man. This is the man that they said came out of the cave. So basically what they trying to say now is that the original caveman was black. But can't you see the Tricknology family? Can't you see what they really trying to do? See, they always, by me being this age, man, from what I've known about the powers that be and the media, see, I know the media wants to control the minds of the masses. So what they really trying to do, if you ask me, is flip the script. They want to make it like we, came on the scene like the beast. They just trying to flip it, and they trying to make it like the Queen Nefertiti was some kind of white woman, which means they came from over in Egypt with the high technology and the high intelligence. And at the same time trying to say that we came from the goddamn caves. It's Tricknology, family. I ain't falling for it. Now let's look at this reconstruction of Nefertiti. Now, this picture on the left is a picture of a statue that was in the museum. And this picture on the right is the replica that was just made of Queen Nefertiti. Now, it's been said, and everybody knows, that Egypt is over off the coast of Africa. So, those people were dark-skinned. And if you look at the statue, right, the statue is even darker than this replica. And the statue is probably thousands of years old, which meaning it's going to get lighter. The color will start to fade. But it's still darker than this new image that this guy made. It's like they trying to pull the wool over the people's eyes, man. And like I said, they trying to flip the script. What they trying to do, they just ain't flat out make her exactly white. He tried to give her a little bit of tan to her. But what they trying to make it like the lighter skinned people came from over in Africa. And the goddamn black man came from the caves. They up to their old Tricknology again, family. Because we all know that they like to use the media for mind control. So, all of a sudden you got all these finds coming up, all these discoveries, and what month is it? It's Black History Month. So now all this new discoveries is coming about, trying to change the minds of the people. Trying to say the white man from over in Africa, the black man is from the hills and the caves. Damn shame. I ain't falling for it. Don't you fall for it either. Peace.